Hello, my name is Tsahallah. I have a pharmacy degree and I make beauty-filled hyperpigmentation soap and cream, all natural. And today I want to talk about why flexibility is so very important when it comes to skincare. Our skin is it doesn't look the same every day. Of course it ages with the time, but I think even more important than this is it changes throughout the month according to our cycle. It changes with if it's winter or summer. It changes even according to what we ate today. Everybody are welcome to do the sugar experiment. A week with no sugar and the skin looks completely different. I think it's very important to look at your skin morning and evening, see what it needs today. Maybe it needs more cleansing today. Maybe it's a bit reddish because you treated it too rigorously with peeling, or even my product. Maybe I don't know, maybe too much of the soap or something like that. You have to be gentle with your skin and see what it needs. If it can be treated today, great. If it needs to rest, that's also great. Don't overdo anything, because otherwise you'll end up with a skin that is too oily, too dry, too red. You you have to know your skin for good skincare, even a part of hyperpigmentation. Okay, good luck. Bye bye. See you.